Hello, Math 120 students. We are now on number 5. This is section 8.1, looking at probability. Now here's another type of question. It says a box of 20 gumdrops was found to contain the number of gumdrops listed in the table. Assume that each gumdrop has an equal chance of being selected. If one gumdrop, and that's a piece of candy by the way, is drawn from the box, what is the probability of drawing an orange gumdrop? That's part A. Part B is a cherry gumdrop, and part C is a lemon or an orange gumdrop. All right, so let's take a look at our box of candy. There are 6 lemon, 8 orange, 3 cherry, and 3 grape. So what's the total on this? Let's see, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I think it's 20. There we go. I'd forgotten how many were in there. Now we are going to find the probability that, that's A, it's up here, an orange gumdrop. So it's going to just be 8 out of 20. And you can leave it like that, or for Math Excel, you're going to have to reduce it. I'm going to leave it like that, let you reduce it. B, a cherry gumdrop. There are 3. So 3 out of 20. And then it says a lemon or orange. That means either. So lemon, orange, or orange. We add those together, 14 out of 20. All right, so that takes care of our candy. Number 6, in a family with 2 children, find the probability of having exactly 1 girl, 2 girls, at least 1 girl, 2 boys. All right, we need a sample space. Here we had a sample space. Now we have to draw a sample space of a family with 2 children. So sample space, we're going to use a tree diagram for 2 children, and I would tell you if I want you to draw a tree diagram, because sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. And this is a case where I would. So this, we're going to put child 1 and child 2 and create a sample space. So it's kind of like coin 1, coin 2, you know, flip of the coin. And the flip of the coin doesn't just give heads and tails here, but we're going to have a boy or a girl. Okay, so the first child could be a boy or a girl. Now, if we had a boy, then the second child could be a boy or a girl. So we could have boy, 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 girl. There. Now, if the first child was a girl, you could have girl, and I always just put them in the same order. It helps me to keep it organized. And my sample space then is boy, 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 girl, girl, boy, and girl, girl. So we have 4 outcomes, possible outcomes here. It says, what's the probability of having exactly 1 girl? So we're going to come through here and look which one's exactly 1, these 2. So 2 out of 4. Then it says B, 2 girls. What's the probability of having 2 girls? Girl, girl. So that's 1 out of 4. And I'll come over here. Yes, that should be 1/2. I'm just getting lazy. C, at least 1 girl. All right, at least 1 girl would be these 3. So that's going to be 3 over 4, 75% chance. And then D, getting 2 boys. And 2 boys, 1 out of 4. All right, I'll come back and see what happens if there are 3 children, what that sample space looks like.